maging masipag lalo. Kasi may iPhone na ako! Nandito na nga ako sa iPhone kasama si Bakla. Bas! We're buying iPhone! Grabe, no? This is my first time. I know, this is my second time to have iPhone. But this one, syempre parang masakit sa puso. Pero kailangan ko kasi ito sa pag-vlog ko. Tsaka in case magbenta ako online. So, I will buy this one. The 50 plus. So, but the black color, not the green one. Okay. Can I see? Okay.
But it will not affect of everything, correct?
You'll just have to keep in mind that
Did you want a printed receipt or an email?
Yeah, a receipt, a printed receipt. Yeah. Ooh, this is my iPhone. Ha 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 ha. It's my iPhone 15 Plus. Binibigyan ko pa ito ng casing at saka ng ano. Bibigyan natin ng casing at saka tempered glass.
we'll leave you with the watch.
Okay.
So, yun na nga. iPhone from Honolulu, Hawaii.